He made it. Good, Aiden. It's under control this time. Yeah, better. Hi, Aiden. Aiden, next time you go up, hey, wait for us, okay, Aiden? Way down there, wait for us. Whoa, there he is. He's going down. He's still going down. Okay, let's see if he's gonna crash this time. He's doing okay, doing okay. And yeah, he did just better this time. Him skiing a year ago to now. You're doing good, Kim. Keep going. Keep a V shape, like a slow triangle to slow down. There you go. That's me. Where's Aiden? He should be going. Okay. Yep. There you go. Triangle, triangle. You wanna slow down. Yeah, there you go. That wasn't bad. Oh, check out. Wow, nice. And then we'll go on the lift again to go up. I think Aiden's ahead of us somewhere up there. Oh, look at that little kid. Oh, the kid is good. Look at him go.
It hurts my feet.
Really? Oh, there's Kim. After her crash. Come back here, Kim. You can do it. Hey, V-shape, all the way. V-shape. There we go.
I fall.
You crash. Aiden crash.
But no, I crashed because I want to crash.
Oh my god.
Cause I cannot control the.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, let's keep going. We're on a lift. One up there. You can see. This year is a little bit different. When you put your boot on, okay, drop on there. The bin shoes to put your shoes is $10. Oh, that's cute, right there. Yeah. So the bin costs.
She fall down.
Oh yeah, good idea. It's like a hockey pant. So it's like $10 bin to put your shoes. So you gotta pay $10 for rental. Not like last year where you can just put it there by the bench and grab it later. So just so you know. Alright. So we'll go up. So lift. Start skiing. Hey, you got too far. Salt. Trigger. Oh, I didn't have to get a tape, but basically Aiden crashed, Kim crashed.
Definitely always.
They both crashed. Let me go rescue him. What happened, Aiden? What happened to that crash that happened there? It went pretty fast, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. He's still up there. That's no more challenging. I came down and just tried to tape it, but it looked like it didn't record, but I came down.
Fun though.
Okay, good.
Actually, he jumped.
Yeah.
So good.
It was like skateboarding. So here we are, we're going up. Get higher, and maybe we'll go way up there. Little escalator up into heaven, if you want to call it. Aiden, hey! We're on a second escalator to heaven, right? We made it through. Okay, so after this, we're gonna go that way. Behind us. I think last year came to here, all the cable up, and then that was the hard one, came back down. So let's see if we can pass this time. I think he went 2 times, he crashed down there 2 times. Let me see if he's gonna crash the 3rd time. Let's see. Let's catch him. Alright, let's go. Let's see. Oh, going too fast. Oh, he's way down there. He made it! He's trying to turn around so he doesn't hit that spot. What happened, Aiden?
One crash, I didn't go on the bell.
Okay, so you kind of like just went down, right?
Yeah. The only reason why I crashed is I was going down on the bell.
Okay. You remember behind us? Last year we went to that lift. And then it came up there, and then I don't think we made it through that one.
I want to try one more time. If we can't do it, then I'm going to go back here and practice some more.
Well, let's go back up here one more time. So
Yeah.
until you master it and then don't crash.
Hey, that was
Okay. Alright. Oh. Let's see how Tim goes. Tim is in like a slow mode all the way through. Let's try back up here. Wait, Aiden. It's back way back there.
He doesn't know how to slow down
He couldn't stop yet.
He doesn't know how to stop. He doesn't know how to slow down himself. You cannot bring him up there.
Are we ready to go for the big one? That one. I think we're ready. I'm always ready, but I'm waiting for you guys to be ready.
No, we never.
There he is back there. Oh my god.
If it's me or Aiden gonna go up there, I think me better because I can control my speed. Slowly. But Aiden, he can like a kid, like wah, go down. Look at
How'd it go, Aiden? What happened? What happened?
Again, I went all the way down there. Too slow, I had to pass that and go there. You don't know how to slow down yourself.
Oh. See, look at that kid. Look at the kid behind you. Wow, she can
Like,
slow down very well.
what a huge kid. You have to master her before you can go to up there.
Yeah, but the sound of the snow. The snow sound? Hear the snow? Hear that? Oh, so nice, isn't it?